guys, good morning! Welcome back to my vlog!
Are you filming a video?
Yes, I am! Hi! So today,
sorry about my big forehead.
meron kaming activity. What's our activity?
Beach.
Yeah, we're gonna do that later, but today,
Hiking.
this morning, yes, we're going hiking.
With
Actually,
all of our friends this time.
yes,
Ayana.
with all of our friends! Yeah!
Ayana too. Welcome to Tita Shadow's Diary.
Welcome to my vlog! So, last spring, guys, nag-camping kami sa Wisconsin.
But it was
and then,
so cold.
it was so cold. And then ngayon ay summer na lahat! So, summer vacation ng mga kids.
I really love
Walang
summer.
pasok ang mga kids. So, ngayon naman, ang aming camping is just in Iowa, right? Just an hour away.
My classmates were wondering what the heck we were saying.
Yes?
I hate winter.
You what?
Wow!
Wow! What can you see now? Meron ng lake! Yay! So we're gonna explore today. Pupunta kami sa lake na malapit sa aming campsite.
Guys.
Dumating kami last night, nag-pitch ng tent, we had dinner, and then, uy, ano yun? I can see something. Ano yun? Ay, hindi. It's just plastic or something. Akala ko animal. Akala ko swimming na animal or something. So, as I was saying, dumating kami last night, and this morning, nag-breakfast muna kami before we started our activity for today. So, let's check out, guys, kung anong makikita pa namin
Shout
dito.
out to all of my classmates.
Okay, Ate Ma wants to say shout out to her classmates. Hi, Ate Ma's classmates.
Because y'all subscribe to her channel.
Thank you.
Even my teacher. Miss Townberger.
Oh, that's so cool. Thank you so much. So these are my friends, guys. Si Carlos, si Wei, and of course, si Polo. Say hi, Dadu. Hi! Say hi, Mamu!
Hi!
Si Cyril, si Rex, and si Marmy. Ang dami namin, guys, for this trip. It's so nice. Nag-convoy kami. We are like 5 cars na nag-convoy. And sobrang sobrang lapit lang nito sa Davenport. So, it's really, really nice. 2 nights kami for this camp. So, from Friday night, today is Saturday morning. We'll have Saturday night pa and then tomorrow pa na Sunday. Oh my God! So nice. So sobrang ganda ng weather. So tingnan nyo guys ang aming view. Look at that! Oh my God! So nice! Oh wow! So ito ang aming view this morning. We're gonna take some photos here. And then, later in the afternoon naman, we'll have like swimming activity and fishing.
Yeah.
So, let's go!
Ew!
Ayan guys, oh, nagsa-fishing sila. And then, itong yung trail na to, meron din mga bahay-bahay sa gilid. Aswerte naman nila, malapit sila sa lake. Yan yung lake namin. Yan si Marby. Hi! So, tingnan pa namin kung anong meron dun sa next na dulo. Wow! Ayan yung mga huni ng ibon. Ang ganda talaga ng mga trail nila dito kasi talagang ginawa ng sinadya talagang ginawa ng pathway for people to walk one with nature. Ang koingan para makahuli. Careful ha. Oh wow! Ito may mga boats sila dito pero syempre private owned ang boats na yan. But it's so cool. It's so cool right here. So nice. Pwede lang siguro tayo mag-picture, no?
Picture. Don't go right.
Oo. Guys, I'm so happy. Nandito ulit yung favorite kong berries. Oo, diretso.
Talaga! Be! Nakakaasar ka. Kinuha
Brother.
ko ako. Sabi niya, huwag ka nga magana, malason ka.
Hindi!
Lahat sila nagkainan.
Yeah, you can
Sabay-sabay
eat
tayo
it.
tutumba.
Just don't eat the stem.
Ay, ang tamis naman ito.
So sweet.
Yeah, it is so sweet. Who wants to try?
Wow, grabe, sobrang sweet.
Mmm, so good.
It's the blackberry.
Hi guys, so update lang. Tapos na kami mag-walk. 1 hour lang kami nag-walk.
And
So
I
tired.
collapsed.
You did? Ano na kasi, 11:30 na in the morning. So, ang next na namin gagawin is we're gonna cook lunch. So, kaya kinailangan namin bumalik from the walking. So, papakita ko sa inyo yung tent, camping site namin. So, this place is what you call Lake McBride. So, ang ano namin is tatlong camping sites ang ni-reserve namin. So, we are number 13, 14, and 15. So, dito kami nag-pitch ng tent last night. So, ito yung place, yung tent nila Dadu and nila Mama ni Jairus. Tapos, ito naman kila Weng. Ito naman yung tent ko dito sa side. Pakita ko sa inyo guys, meron ditong ano pala, may mga saksakan. So, dito ako nag-pitch ng tent naman. At social tong camping site nila kasi meron talagang saksakan. Yan. 'Di ba? So nagdala lang kami ng extension cords. Okay guys, so etong area naman namin ginawa naming parang kainan dito. Nagdala kami ng mga tables and then nagdala din kami ng mga lutuan, rice cooker, kettle, kasi nga merong saksakan, so it's really nice. And then syempre yung mga folding chairs namin, lahat kami kanya-kanya nagdala. And then for this area naman, what's nice naman dito is ay wow, mukhang may magi-grill na guys. Si Sai nagpe-prepare na for grilling. So ito meron ditong parang ano bang tawag dito? Faucet. Pero para pala siya sa RV. Poso. Pero para siyang pang RV na pang anuhan ng mga anuhan ng water para sa RV. Bumili kami ng tent. Anong tawag dito, my friend? Is this a food tent? What you call food tent? Ano tawag dito? Parang food tent siya, pero ginawa naming sampayan. Ginawa namin sampayan ng aming mga towels, 'di ba? Very bright. It's a very good idea. And then dito naman sa area nito, so hanggang dito sakop pa namin 'to ng aming tents. Papakita ko sa inyo yung mga tents naman nila Nikki. So ditong area, last night nandito kami sa area na to. Dito kami nag-s'mores last night. Dito yung fire pit nila. And then dito din pwedeng mag-grill. So for lunch, we're gonna grill chicken and they're gonna eat pork. So this area naman is dito yung kala Nikki na tent, and then kay Sai and kay Marmy. So yan, ang lawak ng space namin. And then meron din silang mga tables din, like picnic tables. Ayan. So we're so excited for lunch. Later, mamayang gabi, dadating din sila Kath para mag-join sa aming camping na ito. So, I'll update you guys later. Wow! Adobo! Oh, wow! Yummy! Parang sarap na nilang kainin.
Itlog na pula na hindi itlog na pula. Ay! It's a ensalada.
Ensalada.
That's a mango.
Yun.
I tasted mango before.
You did? Oh. Okay, here's Mamu.
Hi.
Hi. And this is her project. So cool, huh? Oh, Girl Scout. And with ano? With Jesus? Cool. Let's go, let's go, let's go.
Good.
My gosh. Wow, yummy, 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 yum. Pampano. Okay, hello guys. We are now here at the swimming. We are now here at the beach. Beach time. The kids are ready.
I want them to hear the Filipino mold of beach. I seriously want them
Ito ang beach nila dito, guys. So, pag sa Pilipinas, lake lang po ito. Pero kapag nandito na sa States, this is their beach. So, yan. Wow, so nice. Ang daming naliligo. Ang daming naliligo. Oh my God. Masaya na sila. Careful! Guys, careful! O, ayan na po sila. Nagtakbuhan na po sila, mga kids namin. So, guys, ayan. Ang ganda. Ang lawak. So nice. Cool, huh? So, titingnan natin kung gaano ba kalamig ang water, kung kayang maligo. Or tatambay lang ako dito. Na natin kung kaya ko ba yung lamig. Ito yung sad nila. Not really, not really a beach, but, well, ayan na yung mga boys, ayan na yung kids. They're swimming! Yay! Ay, maligam-gam! My friend, maligam-gam ang tubig! Mukhang kaya. Yan! Yay! So, hello guys! Nandito kami ngayon sa kayak rental. So, magkakaya kami! Samahan niyo ako guys! Let's go! So, guys, ito yung boat rental. Mag-rent tayo ng boat. Kayak, yung boat.
Anong gusto nyo? Yung ganon o yung boat daw? Magkaganon, apat pwede?
Ay, sige!
Yun na lang.
Pwedeng
Pwedeng dalhin yung camera.
Ay, so pwede pala.
Kasi kung boat lang.
Yeah.
Kasi kung yung ganon, hindi.
Oo. So, ganun tayo?
Sige, para makapag-picture ka.
Yay!
Okay, so we can either do text or
Ayun na. So guys, magka-channel kami or ano ba tawag na? Channel ba tawag? Alas 3 ng hapon ito. An 90-degree Fahrenheit weather.
At ko masasayang ang ano ko
At dahil summer ngayon, susulitin namin ang summer. Sa winter na uli dahil sa winter na kami ulit magpaparejuvenate. So, magpapaitim tayo for today's video. Okay guys, nakapag-rent na kami ng aming boat and it's 17.50 ang paddle boat. Magpa-paddle boat kami. So yung 17.50 na yun, apat na kami doon. So sulit na. And that's for 1 hour. So yan, magpa-paddle kami for 1 hour. Ikot-ikot lang. And then, sasama ko kayo sa aking adventure. Guys, ang dami ko ng ano sa inyo. Ang dami ko sinabi. Kaya, kano, paddle boat pala talaga. Wow, wow, wow. Oo nga, di ba naman ito? Oo. Pero pagkagaling. Ay, isa na. Isa na. May struggle na po kami sa pagsakay pala sa boat. Meron na po kaming adventure. Hindi pa kami nakakaalis yung adventure na. Lagi na kami kabila. Okay. Tama ba? Sige, pasok. Sinakabahan naman ako. Parang feeling ko maumbalas tayo pag ano. Hindi yan. we're moving and going. Ang aming pong drivers ay si Nikki and Sai. Yay! Hi! Sana kita kami lahat. Hindi ko makita sa sobrang init.
Hindi, parang sumakto naman.
Yay! Saya lang ng experience. Ayan sila, oh, nagpapaddle. Yay! Paddling, paddling!
Ano ka na yun?
Under the heat of the sun!
Ano yun, nagpadala pa ako ng jeep sa Pinas?
Yay! Ayan ang view namin doon sa likod. Tatawid kami sa kabila. O, diba? Ilang minutes pa lang nagpapadal. Ang layo na ng aming narating, oh. So, hello guys. Kami naman ngayon ni Weng ang drivers. Saya. So, ito guys, yung lake house, oh, ni Cyril, no? Ito na po ang aming friend. Nakaahon-ahon na sa buhay talaga. Nakaahon-ahon na sa laylayan. Ang ganda ng lake house. So, ito talaga yung pinunta namin dito sa lake house. May mga ducks sila dyan. Ayun. So, paddle, paddle! Super nice experience. Sana ganito lang yung weather. Oh, hindi masyadong tirik na tirik yung araw para naman hindi kami masunog ng bongga-bongga. Yung ano lang, saktong sunog lang, pero wag sunog na sunog. Kasi hindi pa naman tapos ang summer eh. Ay, ano ba naman yan? Nabati, oh. Say hi, guys.
Ano malinis na
Hi, passenger princess.
Wala naman siya malinis.
Malinis. Hi. Maligamgam ang water. So, babalik na kami guys doon sa pinanggalingan namin sa pagdadaungan. Yung 1 hour namin is like 30 minutes less, no? Kasi 10 minutes lang yung ano papunta eh. So, mga 10 minutes lang din to pabalik. I'll see you guys later! Hi guys! Tapos na kami mag-swimming! Malamig na ba ate? Is it cold? How was your swimming guys?
Very
Good! Really good!
Goody.
Goody. The water is so lukewarm, diba? It's so ligamgam. Not too cold, not too hot. Just perfect for swimming. And look at their colors. Yay! They got 10. You got 10, guys. We got 10. Yeah, but it's okay because it's the summer.
We got so many sets except for me.
Yeah.
I do.
That's okay. So maybe we're gonna check out if we can go fishing, but if not, then it will be tomorrow's activity. Because we still have tomorrow.
Ano, may headset
So we'll see you guys tomorrow.